In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get Google AdSense approval in WordPress step by step, even if you're a beginner. This is a proven and simple setup that helps your site meet Google's policies so you can monetize safely and faster. A lot of people get rejected by AdSense because they miss small but critical steps, like legal pages or proper setup, and today I'll make sure that doesn't happen to you. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website growth tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the setup will happen. Once you're inside the admin panel, make sure your website already has some basic content published. Ideally, you should have at least 5 to 10 quality posts before applying for AdSense. Google wants to see real value for users, so avoid empty pages or placeholder content. Next, go to Plugins, click on Add New, and search for a plugin called WP Auto Terms or Terms Feed Auto Terms. Install and activate the plugin. This plugin helps you generate the legal pages that Google AdSense requires. After activating it, go to WP Auto Terms, then Legal Pages, and click on Create Page. Here, you need to create 3 very important pages. First is a privacy policy page. Make sure this page clearly mentions that your website uses Google AdSense and may display ads from Google. This is mandatory for approval. Second, create a Terms and Conditions page. Third, create an About Us page. In the About Us page, write 3 to 4 genuine sentences about your website or business. For example, explain what your site is about and who you are. This helps build trust with Google. Once these pages are created, there's one more important step many people forget. Add links to these pages in your website footer. If you're using the Astra theme, open the Astra Footer Builder and add links to privacy policy, terms and conditions, and About Us. This makes the pages easily accessible and helps your site look professional and compliant. Now let's move on to the next step. Go back to Plugins, click Add New, and search for SiteKit by Google. Install and activate this plugin. SiteKit is the official Google plugin for WordPress, and it makes connecting services like AdSense much easier and safer. After activating SiteKit, you'll see a prompt to start setup. Click Start Setup at the top of your dashboard. Sign in using your Gmail account. Make sure you use the same Google account you want to use for AdSense. Follow the on-screen steps to verify your site and grant the required permissions. Once SiteKit is configured, go to the AdSense section inside SiteKit and click on Connect Service. This is the easiest and recommended way to apply for AdSense in WordPress. Google will automatically place the required AdSense review code on your website, so you don't need to manually add any code. After clicking Request Review in AdSense, the waiting period begins. Approval usually takes anywhere from 7 to 14 days. During this time, keep posting content. Add 1 or 2 new posts to show Google that your site is active and regularly updated. Also, once ads start appearing, never click your own ads. Clicking your own ads can get your account permanently banned. And that's it. If you follow these steps exactly, your chances of getting Google AdSense approval in WordPress increase significantly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.